Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn how to control tab visibility and access using profiles in Salesforce. Sometimes we need to hide some tabs from the specific user. For example, currently I have multiple tabs in my navigation menu. For example, opportunity, leads, tasks, receipts, projects, like that. I have so many tabs. But in sometimes I need to hide these tabs from the some users. So in that time, we will go with tab visibility features in profiles. In this video, I will show step by step how we can manage tab visibility using profiles. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to understand what is tab visibility in Salesforce. In Salesforce, tab helps user to quickly access different objects and features such as accounts, contacts, reports, opportunities, projects, all these custom or standard objects. Using profiles, administrator can control which tabs user can see, which tabs are hidden, which tabs are default when user login. This all we control by using only the profile tab visibility. This helps to maintain security, simplicity and better user experience. We have three types of tab visibility. How we can know that? So first we need to click on setup, go to setup, in quick find box, touch profiles. Open profiles. You can see the list of profiles. In here, open any one of the profile. You need to set the tab visibility. Currently, I will select finance head. So in this finance head profile, I have so many options. We need to go to tab settings. So scroll below. So now we come to tab settings. So in tab settings, we have two types of tab settings. One is standard tab settings. Another one is custom tab setting. In here, we have three types of tab setting. One is default on. Second one is default off. Third one is tab hidden. So how we can know that? So first, you need to go to top, click on edit first. Once you click on edit, again go back to tab settings. You can say you open any one of the record, it will show tab hidden, default off, default on. Like this, it will show the options. Then what you mean by default on, default off and tab hidden? Default on means the tab appears in the navigation bar for users by default. That we call it as default on. Default off means the tab is available but not shown in the navigation bar automatically. User can edit or add manually. So then what is tab hidden? The tab is completely hidden from the user cannot access it. I am currently in my custom tab setting. In here, I have a one receipt object. So in receipt object, I have a default off. Okay. In here, I am login as a finance head. So you can see I have a navigation bar. In this navigation bar, I don't have a particular receipt tab or object in my navigation menu. So this is how the default of works. So currently I will give it as default on. So once you give it default on, then go to top, click on save. So once it's saved, you just go back to your finance head login. What I will do, I will just refresh once. I will add refresh one. So once I add refresh, you can see I have the receipt object. Now I can see. Before it's not visible. For example, you need to hide some specific tab from specific user. In that time, you can go with this profiles tab settings. So this is how the control tab visibilities works in Salesforce by using profiles. This is a simple but powerful way to customize the user interface and improve the security. I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.